ready to unlock a world of fun and learning. Today, we're showing you exactly how to create your very own Blooket account so you can dive right into exciting games and activities. First, head over to Blooket.com. You should see a big, inviting Sign Up or Get Started button right on the homepage. Click that button to kick off the account creation process. Now, you'll be presented with a sign-up form. Carefully enter your email address. Make sure it's an email you have access to. Then, choose a unique username. This is how other players will see you in games. Finally, create a strong and secure password. Blooket will ask if you're a teacher or a student. Select the option that best describes you. As certain features might be tailored to your role, don't worry. You can change this later if needed. After submitting your information, Blooket will send a verification email to the address you provided. Go check your inbox. You might need to look in your spam or junk folder if you don't see it right away. Open the email and find the verification link or button. Click it. This confirms that you own the email address and activates your Blooket account. You'll be redirected back to the Blooket website. You might be prompted to add some optional profile information, like your name or a profile picture. This is a great way to personalize your account. Congratulations! You now have a fully functioning Blooket account. You can now browse the different game modes, join hosted games, and start earning those blooks. Happy Blooketing!